Apple is making a historic move by manufacturing its iPhone 16 Pro models in India for the first time, signaling a major shift in its global production strategy. For years, Apple has relied heavily on Chinese factories to produce its high-end smartphones. However, the company is now diversifying its manufacturing footprint, and India is set to play a key role in this new chapter. According to reports, production for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will commence as early as September or October this year. These flagship models will be assembled at Foxconn's facility in Tamil Nadu. This move is part of Apple's broader strategy to reduce dependency on China while strengthening its presence in the rapidly growing Indian market. The decision to produce Pro variants in India is a significant milestone, as Apple has previously limited its local production to older and non-Pro models. Apple's manufacturing journey in India began back in 2017 with the iPhone SE. Over the years, the company expanded its operations to include the iPhone 12, 13, 14, and even the iPhone 15. However, until now, Apple had not included its premium Pro models in its Indian production plans. This shift with the iPhone 16 Pro is a clear indication of the growing importance of India in Apple's global strategy. The timing of this decision is crucial. As geopolitical tensions and supply chain challenges continue to impact global markets, diversifying production locations has become more important than ever. India's strategic position and growing manufacturing capabilities make it an attractive option for Apple. Additionally, producing iPhones locally allows Apple to avoid certain import tariffs and gain a competitive edge in one of the fastest-growing smartphone markets in the world. Foxconn, Apple's key manufacturing partner, is taking the lead in this project. The company has already begun training thousands of workers at its Tamil Nadu facility to ensure production aligns closely with the global launch. The goal is to have iPhone 16 Pro units ready for sale in India as close to the international release as possible. This shift is also part of Apple's ambitious plan to increase the share of iPhones manufactured in India to 25% of its global production over the next few years. In fact, by 2024, reports suggest that Apple may start developing and manufacturing the standard iPhone 17 exclusively in India, marking yet another significant leap in its production strategy. Apple's decision to manufacture high-end devices in India is a clear testament to the country's growing role in the global tech landscape. For Apple, this move is not just about expanding manufacturing capacity but also about aligning with global trends and securing its supply chain for the future. Stay tuned to She News for more updates on this story and other major tech developments around the world.